Huwag nang alam talaga silang malaki. Atin ba to? Oo, sa atin yan. Hindi tayo aabot. Anong train? Hindi siyang service. Dito ka? Oo. Ikaw pala yan. Classmates na tayo. Vlog ko naman. Vlog ba yan? SOS nga dala. Pinatunog. Wala po kami makita. Uy, gusto ko na mag-ano. Silent Hill na. Tingin ka pa. Sige, tingin. Pero mo si pa ito nung nagawa din, oh. Nag-iikot-ikot din kaya yan dyan.
Ano ba ito yan?
Oo, hindi ba? Oo naman. Tanong. Kaya lang, na-amaze ako.
Hindi si vlogger.
Parang sushi, no?
Hindi ko pa mapanood yung...
Kiss my family, left my friends, live my life before it ends. I got away, I got up, I got out, I got away, I got up, I got out. Rock and roll, LSD. Shut the hell up, shut the hell up, shut the hell up and get your work done. Shut the hell up, shut the hell up, shut the hell.
When I can actively do all my tasks, then I am physically healthy. And of course, when I am happy, nothing to worry, then I am mentally and spiritually healthy.
Okay, so your health is based on your mental, physical, and spiritual health, right? Like if all three
Yes.
of this affects your health. Yeah, okay, thank you for sharing that. That's your friend. Venus? Yeah.
I can see the sky now. I can feel the sunshine on my face. I can feel the wind change. I can see the ghost of yesterday going another way. Oh, 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 oh. Now I'm getting older. I don't wanna waste my time again. Better get it rolling. When I'm taking over with me. Oh, 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 oh.
Happy graduation, guys! Graduation for December.